Here's a quick comparison of the E900, this purple one right here, and the E1000, this bigger one over here. You would think that the E1000 would be better because the number's bigger, but you might be wrong. I'm going to show you why. I'm going to share my opinions on both of these after comparing them. The brand did send them both over for me to compare for you to see what I think about it, but I'm not being compensated in any way. These are just like my opinions, man. So you can see physically the 1000 is bigger than the 900. And I'm going to tell you right out of the gate, I like the 900s better than the 1000s. And one of the reasons is because they're smaller. So I found that they fit over my ears just as well, but they felt a little bit more cushioned, even though they have probably the exact same cushions here around the cans. I just thought that this was a nicer fit. So comfort-wise, I prefer the 900s to the 1000s because they're smaller. However, if you got a big head and you want something a little bit more stout, these are not uncomfortable. They just, to me, did not feel as comfortable as the 900s. If you are a teenager or if you're a kid, my son tried these on. He's 10 years old, and of course, he's much more suited to this one than this one. Both of them do functionally about all the same stuff. So both of them, you're going to get a different type of a microphone. So you get this one that doesn't retract at all. It just goes up and down. And then you get this one that retracts in and out like so. And you can get it out of the way if you're not using it. But they both have the microphone. They both have a way to hook up to both a computer via a USB dongle as well as an 3.5 millimeter input. This one has the actual 3.5 millimeter jack here as well as the other side, so male on both sides. On the 900, you actually go through an adapter, so it's a USB-C to a 3.5 millimeter adapter on the other side of it. They charge the same way. This one charges through that same port. This one charges through a port on the other side. They both have volume knobs on the side, mute buttons, power on, power off buttons. They are both perfectly comfortable. Neither one of them are going to be audiophile level or just superior sound quality. These are made for gaming and productivity, sitting at the desk doing stuff and watching movies or playing games. They all have this branding down here that can be used with PS5, PS4, all the gaming systems and stuff like that. What do they sound like, and which do I like better? Well, right out of the box, I thought I would like the 1000 better because it's got this 7.1 sound base, so I was like, oh cool, it's got surround sound built in. That's pretty impressive for this price point. Well, it's only half true. It does have this functionality, but you have to install additional software onto your computer in order to be able to use it. And that was prohibitive to me because the stuff that I would use the 7.1 for in my case is not on my computer. It's on a gaming system or a television. So that was kind of a moot point for me. But if you're using this solely for PC gaming, then yeah, you've got 7.1 sound out of this, which is pretty cool. Sound-wise, like just apples to apples here, they sound pretty similar to me. So I did notice that this one had a little bit better sound. It's physically a little bit bigger, so they got a little bit more acoustics to work with, I guess, here. But the 900 sounded great as well. So there wasn't any huge loss of sound quality when I went from one to the other. And that's why actually I do prefer the 900s overall to the 1000s, even though there's a little bit more features over on the 1000s, and it does sound maybe a hair better. For what I would use these for, this is perfectly fine, and I'll take the comfort for me, when my small head, over these. These felt just a little bit too cumbersome for me out of the box. So you can't go wrong with either one of these. The brand sent these over, and I'm grateful for the chance to check them out. But if I were to pick them, I'd go with the 900s. This is a great unit right here. Hope that's helpful for you. Thanks for checking out the video. I've got affiliate links down below for this product as well as the other ones that I review. If you're interested in anything, I do appreciate it if you would go through those links. It helps keep this free for you and it supports the channel at the same time. So thank you for the support and for the view. And if you really like this, go ahead and click subscribe to the channel. Appreciate that. Hope you have a great one.